Hello everyone, so welcome to the series of horror stories. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe The Kingmaker. Thank you. So now I will start with the story. So today's story is associated with three of the friends, Sam, Ashish and Lisa. So Lisa is a girl and Sam and Ashish are boys. So these three of them are good friends from childhood. Okay, so after passing the 10th grade, the three of them move to a metro city, and in that they book a room inside an apartment called Sahara apartment. So the three of them lived together, and Ashish has had his own car, and their schedule was very much fixed, and during the daytime they went for their particular college in that particular car, and during the night time they came and slept into that particular apartment. Okay, so this was their routine, and the three of them had a very good habit that before going for sleep they went for having the snack and taking a night walk during the night time. Okay, so they went for night walk and had a snack and then returned to their home and they slept. So this was a particular routine of these three children. Okay, so once upon a time there was a friend of Ashish who was living inside that means metro city, and he asked for the car of Ashish for one day. Okay, so Ashish gave his car to that particular friend and he asked to return it on the next day. Okay, so the friend of Ashish, he took the car and he came back next day. Okay, so when Ashish got his car returned from that friend, there were some of the blood stains on his car. So he got little bit confused that what these blood stains are of. Okay, so his friend actually told that these blood stains are nothing but actually an animal came in his path, so it got accidented in front of the car, so that's why the blood stains are there. So Ashish ignored these all the blood stains and he said okay to him, and then he returned to his home. Okay, so this incident happened with the Ashish. Okay, so now the schedule of the students, the three of friends was fixed, so it was being carry forwarded. Okay, so one of the day when they completed all those works and came back to their room, the three of the friends, Lisa, Ashish and Sam. So this night they had to go for night walk during the night. Okay, so the three of them went, and there they approached a old woman in their path. So that old woman, she stopped Ashish and she was asking to Ashish the address of a particular school in that particular metro city. Okay, so Ashish told the particular school's address to that particular old woman. Okay, so after that they went for snack and then they returned, and next day again they went for college, and after returning to the home after some time during the night they went for taking a night walk, and then again that particular old woman approached Ashish, and this time she was asking the address of particular hospital. She was asking that where is the city hospital, I want to go there, my child is admitted in that hospital, I need to know the address. So this time Ashish said it's okay, the old woman is in need, so he told the address to that particular old woman. Okay, so this thing happened on the second day. Then they all went for the snack and they returned to the particular room and they slept. Okay, now on third day the old woman did not approach to him. Then on the fourth day again, when they went for the snack during the night time, the old woman approached and asked Ashish the address of particular pub in that city. Okay, so this time obviously Ashish got angry. That particular old woman is constantly asking him the addresses of different things. So Ashish got very angry and he shouted at that old woman and told her that I won't tell you the address anymore. And Ashish left from there, and Lisa and Sam, they both followed him. Okay, so this thing happened on the fourth day, and on that day they did not had snack with because of this incident. Okay, so they discussed that who that old woman was and why she was asking constantly the address of particular pub and particular hospital and particular school, and these all things confused Ashish a lot. Okay, so on next day they had a option that whether to go for night walk or not, because Ashish was already very much angry that particular old woman would again stop him and ask for addresses. Okay, so what was the option, what to do? So Lisa gave an idea to Ashish that today we'll go for night walk, but we will go from the alternate path. Okay, so from alternate street if we go, then the old woman may not approach the three of them. Okay, so this was the option given by Lisa to Ashish. Then Sam also agreed that it's okay, now we can leave for having the snack. Okay, so the three of them on that night they went for having the snack. And but Sam actually, he looked on that street, and from a particular distance he saw the old woman approaching towards the three of them. Then Sam suddenly shouted that see, that old woman is coming here. So the three of them got very much confused and they ran away from that particular place. The old woman began to run behind three of them. So the three of them got very confused and very feared of that old woman, and they suddenly jumped over the gate of one of the houses on that particular street, and there was the lock on the door on which threads were applied. So they removed the threads and broke the lock and entered the house to escape from that particular old woman, because they were very much scared of that old woman. Okay, so because she was consistently asking the same thing regarding the addresses. Okay, so they hid themselves inside that particular house. Okay, so in that particular house, it where the all house was dusty and it was covered with spider webs, and from there the noises of in that house, the noises of bats were coming, and crying cat's voice was also coming. So it was a little horrified type of house. Okay, so the three of them were already feared from that old woman, and again these voices of bats and cats were coming, so their fear level got increased more. Okay, so Lisa and Sam got very much feared, and Ashish was also feared, but he was a little brave type of boy. Means he was having a courage of doing things, but obviously he was also feared because of that old woman. Okay, so Ashish was also with them as I mentioned. Okay, so after few minutes they waited there, and the old woman was not able to, means she was not visible to three of them. Then they were thinking and talking that whether to leave for their particular their apartment, or else to wait for some more minutes here. Okay, so they were discussing. Then Ashish said that wait for few minutes, I will just come from washroom. Okay, so Ashish went for washroom, and he was trying to find the washroom in that particular apartment, means that particular house in which they were. Okay, so he went there, and Lisa and Sam were waiting for him for many minutes, but Ashish did not return. They waited for 10 minutes, they waited for 15 minutes, they waited for half hour, but still Ashish did not return. So this made a type of new fear that generated in the mind of Lisa and Sam, that where did Ashish go? So he said that he would go for washroom, but he did not return. So the two of them went for finding Ashish, and when they went to the next room to where they were standing, they found the body of Ashish shivering. So Ashish, then they suddenly got very much feared, and they went towards Ashish, and they saw the eyes of Ashish bloody red. So though Ashish was very feared and he was shivering, and he was actually pointing his finger when the two of them came. He was pointing his fingers towards the one of the painting in that house, and this made him to shiver a lot and fear a lot. His eyes become bloody. What was the thing which Ashish actually saw in that particular house? So the thing that he saw was the painting of a woman whom they were approaching from previous days. that particular woman who was asking them the addresses, it was the painting of that old woman, and on that painting the death date of that particular woman was written. So they realized that the woman they were approaching from these many days was actually died before many days. Okay, so this made a sort of fear. The three of them got very much feared, and the noise of the bats become louder and louder, so the three of them were very much feared. So Ashish was totally, means he went to the state of unconsciousness because his fear actually crossed limits, and so he got unconscious. So the two of them were also very feared, and but somehow they managed to lift up Ashish and take from that particular house to particular out of the gate. So they tried to they picked up the Ashish and tried to escape from the particular gate of that particular house, but the leg of Ashish got stuck inside the gate. So they were trying to remove the his leg that was stuck into the gate of the house, but the sounds of the sound of crying of cat became louder and louder, and they were trying to escape Ashish's leg from the gate, but it was not removing. But suddenly Lisa kicked the gate very strongly, and this made the gate to go behind, means it was broke apart, and the leg of Ashish got means removed, means escaped from that particular gate. So Ashish's legs was means took apart from that leg, and they took Ashish to particular hospital in that city. Okay, so this was a fearful incident which happened with three of them. So what means, how was the painting of that woman being attached in that house, and how did the woman approach to three of them if she was dead before many days? So this was a big question, and this fear made Ashish go unconscious. Okay, so the two of them took Ashish to hospital. Okay, and Ashish got hospitalized, and it took 3 to 4 hours for Ashish to come back to the state of consciousness. Okay, so his health became very much normal, but he was constantly shivering because that fear was inside his mind, that how did that old woman approach to them. Okay, so Ashish's condition was still actually critical. Okay, then the two of them, Lisa and Sam, they were constantly thinking that who that old woman was and what all these things were happening with three of them. Okay, first they thought that if there was something horrified in that apartment, means that particular house where they entered, then they should have proper information, because there was nothing written in front of that apartment, neither anyone warned them about that particular house. Okay, so they were thinking, and while thinking they decided to have us means go to the canteen of that particular hospital. Ashish was still resting in that particular hospital, and the two of them, Sam and Lisa, they went downside to the canteen of the hospital, and they were having some food. Okay, so when they were having food, Sam actually, his vision was means he saw a particular spiritual person who was tying lockets in his means on his body, and that particular spiritual man who was looking like an astrologer was sitting inside the canteen. So he got an idea, and he told to Lisa that we would ask to that particular astrologer whether he could help us that such incident, if he would share, then the particular astrologer may help them. Okay, so Sam gave this idea, then Lisa was convinced, and the two of them went to that particular astrologer or that spiritual man who was sitting inside the canteen of that particular hospital. Okay, so that particular astrologer had some of the powers which made him realize that before saying of Lisa or Sam anything, the astrologer realized everything, that what was happened and why these two kids were coming towards him. Okay, so the astrologer said that I know your problem, sit here, I will explain you the entire thing that you want to discuss with me. Okay, and I will tell you what happened and what you need to understand. Okay, so this was that thing which the astrologer told, and then he began to start the story that what means how that old woman was approaching the three of them, okay, and why the painting was applied in that particular house. So he told that before some days, when Ashish's friend asked a car from him, so on that day, on the next day when the car was returned, it had the blood stains. You three of them, you did not ask properly that of what thing the blood stains were, okay. So that blood stains actually were not of any animal, they were actually of a person who was killed in front of the car by accident, okay. And that particular person who was killed in that accident, his mother actually hanged herself in one of the particular house, and that particular old woman was going to kill Ashish because the car belonged to Ashish, and the house in which the old woman was hanged was the same house where you went on that particular day, okay. So this was the thing which the astrologer told to Lisa and Sam. So then they realized that why the particular house was locked, and why the threads were applied on that particular lock, and why the old woman was approaching the three of them, because she was going to kill Ashish, because her son was killed by Ashish indirectly because the car belonged to Ashish. So the old woman was targeting him. So this was the thing. So they asked the two of them, they asked to the astrologer that how could we means save Ashish from that particular old woman, okay. So the man told that I know some of the spiritual words, ask Ashish to apply locket on his body, and I will tell you some of the spiritual words which you three of you have to utter for 3 days, and then you will be saved from that particular old woman, okay. So constantly keep uttering these words, okay. So this will make you to protect yourself from the negative energies of that particular old woman whose soul is actually going to harm you, okay, if you are not uttering these words, okay. And he asked them to not to go on that particular street for next 3 days, okay. So this was the thing. So ultimately for 3 days continuously the three of them uttered the spiritual words, and Ashish was tied the locket, okay. So this made everything normal after 3 days, okay. So then the three of them went back to their particular home, and then they continued their further lives, okay. So this was the incident, and this was the story that I wanted to share with you. Thank you.